जुनूने इश्क से तो खुदा ही ना बच सका इकबाल, जुनूने इश्क से तो खुदा ही ना बच सका इकबाल, तारीफ हुस्न यार में पूरी कुरान लिख डाली। In the name of God, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Dear respectable community leader, esteemed director, charming Habibians, I want to greet you with these words. Assalamu alaikum. As today we are gathered here to talk about a meritorious topics which has been picked by the management of Habib's English Academy, namely love or career. First of all, moving further, I would like to say the warmly thanks to my respectable director and dear Habibians who gives me chance to be stand in this rostrum in front of you. Do you know that what is the love? Actually, what is the love? First, my point is that before I'm moving further, I would like to say the quotation of the Helen Keller. She said, "The love is like a beautiful flower. The love is like a beautiful flower which I may not touch, but those fragrance make the garden place of delighted the same." The love. Now wherever you will go, whomsoever you will meet, such much will people say you that the love is part of life. If a person have no love, he is disabled. If a person have no heart, he is like a monster. He is not a human. The what kind of love person should have? The love about your parent, the love about your Holy Quran, the love about our Islam, and the love about our obligation which we are completing, that's called education. Now let me talk about it, what kind of love and what love we are doing today. Remember this thing that the beautiful girl cannot give you the beautiful future. The beautiful girl cannot give you the beautiful future, but the beautiful future can give you the 1,000 beautiful girls. Now think about it. Our child, the age of 12, the age of 10, they are being made in the love. And they used to forget there is something that's called career. They used to forget. Now what's career? The career is that which can make you a successful person. Even it gives you more and more respect in this world. In this world there is no respect for poor. There is no respect for uneducated. There is no respect for that person who are lazy. This world used to give respect for them who are working hard and they are making themselves even more better. If you are thinking that you are better, you are away from love, just you are working for your career, it means you are great. And you are working hard to be something in your future. Your future in your hand. If today you are working hard to make it career, make it or even better, it will make you such kind of great person. Now, let's get मोहब्बत की हवा में खूब सजाते रहे, मोहब्बत की हवा में खूब सजाते रहे, छोटी सी जिंदगी मगर खूबसूरत रास्ते बनाते रहे. My dear, remember this thing that our life is like a short journey. What? The short journey. In this love, in this life, everything is important. But everything has its own liquid, everything own part, everything has own limit. Don't respect anyone else, he will catch your color. Keep everyone on their limit so that they will know that you are also something. If they used to forget you even, don't listen to them. Think about it, I am also something and I can do whatever I want to do. No one can stop you. My dear, in the career if you have money, people will respect you. Who were the poor? Who was J.K. Rowling? Who was Helen Keller? And who was the Sadia Jafar, the CS inspiration? They were also poor like you, but they saved their time. And today they are more successful person in the world. Don't think that in this age if we are doing life, it's just like a madness. It's our madness, we are crazy then. If we are working on our future, it means that we are more active, intelligent than no one like us. No one is like us if we are working to make ourselves even better. Now let's talk about it. What you will do when you will grow up. Even this age, if in this your age, you are wasting your time instead of getting education. Having done your work, you have to play. Having got your future, you have to do love. The love will show you its fervency then when you will be successful person. If you have no money, no one will greet you. If you have no money, no one will salute you. And if no one will talk to you. Because you have no money, you are poor. Then why you are failed in the love? Remember this thing. Everything carry on the penny, on the money. The incarnate, devil, it will misguide you in this age. But if you used to save yourself, it means you are success. Now what is future? The future mean your future when you will grow up. Are from those who are donkey men. Are from those who are uneducated. Such much they will repent. They will weep. They will say, oh my God, oh my G, I did very wrong. And today I am repenting because of this thing. I felt in the love and love makes me destroy. What kind of love? Love is dead, which our people they are doing. They forget the love of God. They forget His love is perfect. And even forget all these things. At last but not least, I must sum up my speech to dedicate these lines, this topic, again and again. I would like to repeat this, my quotation, this poetry, this point, which is near to my heart. The beautiful girl cannot give you beautiful future. The beautiful girl cannot give you the beautiful future, but the beautiful future can give you the 1,000 beautiful girls. So I would like to say thank you so much for having me here.